So today we're going to quickly talk about how to remove the wax bloom from a color pencil drawing. So the wax bloom is going to be the white cloudy film that creates on project, which is basically the wax that is in the pencil that just comes to the surface after about a week of the project being done. So the wax rises up to the surface and it creates this kind of like white layer. So what we're going to do is we are going to grab a Kleenex without lotion, without scent, just a normal Kleenex, and we're just going to slowly rotate it on top of our drawing and slightly remove that white film in order to make it more shiny again. So as you can see, there is the white film on the left side, and then there is the part that we removed it on the right side. So you will not get this on a color pencil drawing that does not have a lot of layer and that is not burnished. So once the color pencil is good, it's ready, this layer is going to create on top of it. The solution after this, to not keep happening after we have wiped it with our Kleenex, is to basically spray it down with an acrylic coat. So we're just going to basically work our way throughout the whole drawing. We're just going to, as we move around the drawing, we're just going to like slightly change the piece of Kleenex that we're using, just because we don't want to just smear the color around. So if we're cleaning the dark brown, we just don't want to smear that color on the lighter brown part of the drawing. Once we're done moving around the whole drawing, we are just basically going to spray it down with the acrylic fixative, and that wax bloom is not going to keep happening again.